Hello, and welcome to another fun and exciting episode of Willpower Adventures. Today, I am going to show you around the yard and give you a sneak peek of my ever-expanding garden. If this is your first time visiting the channel, I'd like to give you a warm welcome. We do a whole lot of fabricating, lots of gardening, and basically anything that you can do with your own two hands. I like accomplishing things myself if that is a possibility. So I tend to do basically everything I can by myself, and if I don't know how to do it, I tell you what, I'm going to learn. So let's get to it. One of the first things I'd like to share with you today is my budget raised garden. Okay, so there's a number of perks going on with this. Well, firstly, it was quite cheap. Kind of free in a way, considering I had the metal fencing already, and the cardboard I got from the corner store for free. They wanted to recycle it, and some of it's my recycling anyways. Yes, highly important to have growing space. No trees were cut down in the process of making that, and no trees were wasted in making an unnecessary raised bed with wood. It's just not necessary. Okay, moving on. Covered in hay is our garlic patch. Last year, that was a big plot of plants. Well, we've expanded, as you can see, and well, it's kind of dwarfed the garden patch, but that's a very good thing. So I'll just take you for an adventure through my future squash tunnel here. Okay, so raining on me. Gonna sturdy it up just a little bit more, but again, we've got an L budget raised garden. Whoop. And you know, it's all experimental. We'll see how it goes. I just put that bit together yesterday, so that's going to be pretty exciting, and depending on how well that works, I'll give you a little instructable on how to get that done yourself. We've got the metal frame here, and that is going to be a greenhouse in that area. So we'll have doors on either end, this end and this end, and we're going to grow all kinds of things in here. This box, we're going to raise the height of it and put more dirt. And then in all the floor space around, because this is all going to be within the greenhouse. Within the greenhouse, we can have potted plants that maybe want to take in and out of the greenhouse, or we'll figure that part out. But that's pretty much it for now. Got our big pile of dirt from all the sod that we took off there, and then in a couple other places. We did the same thing with that garlic patch that we made last year. Put all the dirt here and covered it with a tarp for the next couple wintry months, and then come spring we'll open it up a little bit and start planting stuff on it, because it's a good place to grow some squashes and whatever. My main goal for this year is to grow way too many peas, because they're my favorite, and I feel like I've been really lacking in being able to eat enough peas during the summer days, and also have some for dinners and saving. So there's that to it. This, I'd like to show you. I laid down cardboard on top of the weedies and then put dirt, because I'm lazy and I don't want to spend an hour or any amount of time that it would actually take digging up all the weeds. There's chives there, so I left a little patch, and there's a few little garlics poking through, but weeded. We'll see how that works. I've got my raspberry patches which I'm gonna actually have to weed because there's all kinds of little plants poking through. So that's gonna occupy my time there. And this gigantic rock was right about there, completely underground. And a few more things that I've done is did the same kind of cardboard and then dirt treatment around the trees. I've taken out the end boards of these two gardens and taken the grass off, so we're going to expand that. It's going to be one big shebang. This is my allotted pea section, which is I'm gonna grow a lot more peas than that, I believe, if I can manage it. And I think that's basically it. I honestly don't know how much I'm gonna really show you. Don't really know what I'm gonna get up to today, but that's my little garden update. If you are still watching, hey, thanks. Let's see if we can grow some stuff this year. I hope you follow along because growing a garden is a real satisfying and entertaining thing to do. And well, I've never shared my gardening experience with the world. So, having said that, signing off. And there's a rotten bird corpse. Alright.